Today I'm going to share with you the best yoga exercise that you aren't doing. This exercise will not only relieve anxiety and insomnia, it will also relieve anger, frustration, irritation, headaches, and menstrual issues. This exercise also stimulates your vagus nerve, which helps you to self-regulate, feel de-stressed, helps you to feel safe, connected, and resilient. In this video, we're going to do the yoga exercise together while I explain how and why it works. Later in this video, I'm going to share my tips and tricks for how I make this yoga exercise even easier. The best yoga exercise you aren't doing is eye yoga. Look, I understand it's not sexy, it's not cute, it's not even something you're going to want to post on Instagram, but it's effective. The first one we're going to do is called palming. So you're going to rub your hands together and then you're going to place your hands over your eyes and let that darkness bathe your eyes. Your liver meridian ends in your eyes. Imbalances in your liver meridian show up as anger, frustration, irritation, resentment, headaches, and menstrual issues. The second eye yoga exercise we're going to do today are to draw circles with our eyes. So it's just like it sounds. Just make circles with your eyes. One of the branches of the heart meridian ends in the eyes. Imbalances in the heart meridian present as insomnia from emotional imbalances like anxiety. The third eye yoga exercise we're going to do is just to move your eyes from side to side, from left to right. Your vagus nerve also innervates the eyes. When you practice eye yoga, you stimulate the vagus nerve and tell your body that it is okay to relax. It's one of the best ways to self-regulate. Here's my tip to make your eye yoga easier. Think about the movements as coming from the backs of your eyes. This will make your eye yoga so much more relaxed.